Hello everyone, welcome to our quick guide on Discovered, your tool to find and select the very best people. Let's begin by creating your job post. In the first step, Kingsley can help you create the perfect job description. You can complement it by adding other job details like requirements and location. Then you can begin your talent search. You can advertise automatically for free on the world's top job boards. And you can automate an employee referral campaign, share the post on social media, and even set up your company-branded career page. You also have access to amazing tools once you start attracting candidates. You can evaluate them through one of our 20+ hiring assessments, learn about their experiences with automated reference checks, prepare with interview guides, or set up one-way interviews, grade your candidates with scorecards, create tasks for candidates with to-do list links, create an application form, and dial in the AI resume screening. Then you can process your candidates faster with our flexible workflows using statuses. Statuses are a sequence of steps that represent your candidate processing workflow. Every status can contain automation tools such as email or text message sequences and assessments to screen candidates faster. We will automatically suggest the best templates for automating your hiring process, and you can customize your workflow or sequences by removing and adding new steps. If you have any questions, you can access our support with our knowledge base help center and start a chat with Kingsley, your AI hiring assistant. And you can access our guided tour through the platform to support your journey towards smarter hiring. And best of all, we love humans. Feel free to schedule a call with your hiring coach anytime to get expert help optimizing your hiring process. Dive into a world of efficient recruitment with Discovered, the right talent, right now.